Hello, my good people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Jackie. I want to prepare some soup here of chicken. This is a chicken, and I want to prepare a soup from this meat of chicken. So let's start. And for those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and share the video, comment and like. That is the only way you can support me, please. This is a boiling water, so I will add my chicken meat inside. I want to boil first before I start cooking. Now we are going to add salt. This is salt, a pinch of salt. Water is dry now. Now I'm going to remove now so that I can fry the meat. Now we are going to fry. Now we are going to start cooking now. This is onions and garlic. Onions and garlic inside here. I can see my onion is ready. Now I'm going to add my meat inside. I want to add onions. I'm going to add ginger. This one is cinnamon. Then this one is chicken masala. And this one I will put more. Yeah, more of it. Finally, I'm adding my soy sauce. Then after a few minutes, I'm going to add water. Yes, because I want soup, fat soup. Okay, now I'm going to add some little water. I just need little soup. So I will just add a little water. And little salt. Little one. This is my chicken soup. Pure soup without any veggies. Yeah, only chicken and my spices. A very yummy soup. You can take it with chapati, you can take it with rice, you can take it with spaghetti. Call it. And now my soup is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment.